Hi traveler, this is Mario from fxotherway, the channel for traders run by a trader. In this video I'm going to show you how WD Gann used the square of 9, why this yellow line is so extremely important, and how to make the use of a beautiful Roman goddess in order to be successful in the Forex market. But don't forget to press the subscribe button first to not miss any of my videos about trading. I'm here to share with you my humble experience and hope this content will substantially improve your trading. So we've got over here square of 9. In my previous video about WD Gann, entitled WD Gann Revealed, you'll find the link below. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you to watch it first in order to understand what I'm saying right now. And over there you will also find out how to build up this square. It's pretty simple. We've got square of 9, but my exactly is square of 19, because it ends up at 361, which is 19 squared. So if you get square of 361, you get 19. So we've got square of 9. Well, Gann used to presume that the price goes round in circles and cycles, as we would say, and he presumed the cycle starts here from point 0. That's what he meant. And going, after making 90 degree up to here, the price going 180 degree, 270 degree, and coming back, and the cycle was closed. So as example, if the price started at the value of 53, or square of the price started at this value, after 90 degree, 1/4 of the cycle, the price should reach 61. Next quarter of the cycle, the price should reach 69. Further down, going alongside, we would get 77, and the price would end up 86. So we started at 53, the whole cycle went through and arrived at 86. So, what's the idea? If the prices topped or bottomed at 53, or square root of the price, then if it was bottom and the market went 360 degree, it should have arrived at the same level. So the next bottom or top bottom probably would be 86 or 127 and so on. If it was the top, 53 was square root of the price, so if it was the top, so the end of the cycle would be here, but the market would go opposite way, anti-clockwise, this way, and would stop at 28. That's the general idea. Obviously, life is not so simple as it looks at the first sight, because pretty often markets or pairs are topping at different level. They top up, for example, somewhere here, or here, or here, as it happened. 331. What do you think? What is that? I will show you quickly. The square root of the price, it's 331. If we square it, we get 109561, which is probably one of the bottoms or tops of Euro USD. Euro USD 109 and something is somewhere in this area. This is daily chart. So probably here the market found its bottom. So the next step would be 331. So presumably, if the market goes up, which happens, should go further up to the next level, somewhere here, which we can find very easily just building up this square root, this Gann square. So at the moment, that was the bottom. It says that those points are pretty important, those points. So at 334, the market would have probably stopped. Let's have a look what it's 334 squared. It is, my friend, 111.55. Look, so the price here was the bottom. The price rised up to here. Square root of the price stopped over here, which is 111.55. Now I'll show you on the screen. That's the yellow line. Look how the price behaved over here. It stopped once, came back, just was correction 1, 2, 3, came back, and now it looks the market will continue rising. I'll tell you later on why. At the moment you see only those funny crosses. I'll explain exactly what it means and how to reach there. So, coming back to the square of 9 or 19, we got such a situation. If we had a bottom of the market at the value of 331, which is, it was a square root of 109.50, if the market rises, it will stop. I'm talking about daily or weekly charts. It will stop once here, and over here, theoretically, should be bigger or smaller correction of the price, because it is square root of the price. Would we presume what the value would be? We got 349, 121.80. That's the value for Euro USD where there is a possibility of major turn of the market at the moment, 90 degree. On the way, we've got 343, which is another value because it's on the diagonals. The price also stops here pretty often. Let's have a look. 343, we square it. So at 117.65 about, we might get another correction. So I hope it's pretty simple and nothing special to explain. If the market goes different direction, it's same story. You can do it as well on the bigger square as the one I've got here. Look, that's the one. And we've got here the market at the moment is at 111.40 it is, yeah? So it's regarding the price. 111.40. The market at the moment stopped here, 111.40, 11.50. The market stopped here because this is roughly at the 22.5 degree, which is extremely important. Again, WD Gann used to divide the cycle, I mean the whole circle first, dividing in 4, he got 90 degree, dividing in 8, he had 45 degree, dividing by 16, so 2 octaves, it's 22.5 degree. So here the market stopped for a while over here. So this, first one, you can see it at the small square of 19, that here was that the market stopped at this value, and the other one square of whatever we've got just developed. The price itself, not square root of price, but the price itself stopped at the level roughly 22.5 degree from zero, because here we got zero line, this one is 22.5 degree, and this one is 45. So you presumably next stop would be 112.30, which we are not very far from this. We got another 15 pips over there. The market will stop probably, and the investors, all the speculators, will think what to do further. But definitely the market should go further as far as I see. That's the story about Gann square. What do you think about it, guys? Just leave me a comment. What do you think about Gann square? If you want to explain it more precise, I'll do it with a great pleasure. I just want to help you, to help your trading. So don't be ashamed. Ask in the comments or write in the comments, what do you think about it? Is it bullshit or does it make sense? Whatever. So that's for short about this square of 9 and the way to apply it as Gann used to apply it is a part of the game. I remind you, it's not just an indicator, it's not so simple, it's a part of a bigger picture. But to have an idea, I just show you this way. So let's go further. So you know already why this line is so important, because it's square root of that number 334. Is square of 334, this one. So it seems once again 334 square root makes 111.55.6, 111.55 in pips. That's why this line was so important. End of the story. Let's go further. Now I've got a special tip for you guys. Look, I put some funny crosses over here just to show you something. WD Gann, using square of 9, was using as well the planetary movements. And if the planet squared somewhere, usually reverse in the trend occurred. So the story over here, I just give you a simple example to not overcomplicate it too much, because we got a long way to go in order to learn everything. But as an idea for you, I will show you what is here. Look, this is 1st of October, October 1st, 2019. And I've got here something called Astrolog. Astrolog, this is the soft, very, very simple one, which is just serving to help you what the position of the planet is. And I will go to October the 1st, look over here. October the 1st, planet Venus. The position of planet Venus was roughly about 200. I'll make it more precise for you. Just give me a second. So it was, what time was that? It was to the, okay, here we go. Tuesday, October 1st, 5:10 a.m. This is my local time is Kawina, Poland. This is GMT +1. So at that time, Venus was at 200. Remember, here, Venus 200. We got next date, this one I just wanted to show you, which is, I don't remind, it's also October 25th, 2019. So let's go 25 days further and look over here. Here we go. We got Venus 230 degree. It's coincidence. But we've got, what is here? What is this one? So was it, yeah, that's 25th of October. What is this one? Here we got 1st or 2nd of November. Here we go. 2nd of November. Look at this one. 2nd of November. Venus 240 degree. What's next? So we've got here, here, here. Next one is somewhere here. What's that? 13th of November. Let's go 13th of 12. 13th of November again. What is that? 13th of November. It was a day earlier, I think. Here we go. This is... It was earlier. It was earlier. 250. 10th of November. 10th of November is somewhere. It was Sunday. So here was local top, but we wouldn't take it into consideration. Let's see further here. This date is December 13th. Let's go to December 13th this way. Again, we've got roughly, let me show you. Here we go. December 13th, 290 degree Venus over here. And we got last date here, which is 20th of December. Again, what date is the 20? Is an issue of hours as well. But look, guys, 300, 9:10 a.m. GMT +1. That's the date, 20th of December. What do you think? It's just Roman goddess, Venus, the goddess of love, of wealth, of business, whatever. All you need is love, Beatles used to say years ago. As you can see, we've got hits here. 1st October, Venus 200 degree. We got pretty big market turnover here on October the 1st. I'll show you on other scale. It's here. October the 1st. Big market turn. Venus arrived as 200 degree geocentric. After that we got 230 degree, we got the bottom, we got 240 degree, we got the top, we got 260 degree, we got another top, we got another top, 290 degree, and on 20th of December, Venus again made a major turn. What do you think about it? Does it worth a candle, or is just another bullshit? Well, I'd like to see your opinion. Write me in the comments if you got different opinion about goddess of love and wealth and business and prosperity. Just write in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it will help in your trading in the future, guys. Green peeps forever for you, as usual. And all the best from me, from Mario, from fxotherway. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button if you like it. If you don't like, press the unlike button. I'd like to see your opinions. I hope it will help you guys. Green peeps again. See you next time.